Welcome to NewAge Training. Let's have a look at how to get started. First, you become a member by purchasing the starter kit. This gives you your income position, that's your business, a cloud-powered e-store, powerful business analytics, and sales training and tools. Now let's have a look at products, price, and points. Every product you sell or purchase has a price value and a point value. Points are consistent worldwide and are used to calculate commissions. But first things first. During your first 28 days as a NewAge Brand Partner, your goal is to reach your business level. A few helpful hints. Commission weeks start on a Saturday and end on a Friday. And from your enrollment date, you count 4 Fridays to reach your business level. And the rolling calendar is a very helpful tool. We'll have a look at that a little later.